developed really bad headaches and migraines. So I'd end up basically in the fetal position multiple times, where I couldn't see, I couldn't think, I couldn't feel my hands, I couldn't feel my tongue. It was just an absolute nightmare. So if you've ever experienced anything like that, or experienced digestive issues or things like that, and you're also not getting great sleep, man, this could actually be a big wake-up call. Hey everybody, West here. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I went from having horrible insomnia to being the world's heaviest sleeper. Okay, so confession time. My wife actually is the one who, she's right over here, who voted me as the world's heaviest sleeper. I did not get voted world's heaviest sleeper by some official organization, but hey, that's okay. I sleep great. And if you're somebody who is struggling with insomnia or struggling with sleep issues, then you're definitely going to want to listen to this story, because I have some really helpful sleep tips of how you can go from insomnia to actually sleeping amazing, to the point where I was actually inspired to create an e-commerce company that's all about helping people to get better sleep. So let's start off the story. So my story started off really when I was much younger. When I was about 5 years old, I had these things called night terrors, and what that is it's basically a nightmare mixed with sleepwalking. So I'd wake up in the middle of the night, I'd be screaming, I'd be hollering, and man, it was so disruptive to my whole entire family and to me and my sleep cycles. So I went to a neurologist. My mom took me to a neurologist who hooked up these electrodes all over my head, and he started to he put me to sleep, and he started to read my brain waves. And what ended up happening was they prescribed a way of improving my sleep that was waking me up about 45 minutes after I would go to bed. And that turned into be an absolute nightmare. As you can imagine, I don't know if you know about sleep cycles, but basically you're entering REM sleep around that time. And so what ended up happening was my sleep cycles got completely disrupted to the point where I didn't really enter into REM sleep, and my sleep cycles were fragmented every single night. And I don't know if you know about fragmented sleep, but what happens is your body doesn't register that you're getting good sleep when you have fragmented sleep and you're waking up and going back to sleep. So I ended up developing horrible insomnia and had a really hard time falling asleep and staying asleep from the time when I was about 6, 7, 8 years old to the time when I was about 20. And I'm 25 now, so I've healed it for quite a bit of time. And what happened was, all throughout my teen years, I had poor sleep, really bad sleep. And what ended up happening because of that, and what I ended up learning about, is that when you have poor sleep, you don't get the proper healing in your body and the proper healing in your mind that you need to function normally as a human being. So I ended up developing really bad depression, really bad anxiety, poor self-image and self-esteem and things like that. And I also developed really bad physical symptoms, some of which were digestive symptoms. So I have horrible symptoms all the time. I have stomach cramps, bloating, things like that. And I also developed really bad headaches and migraines. So I'd end up basically in the fetal position multiple times, where I couldn't see, I couldn't think, I couldn't feel my hands, I couldn't feel my tongue. It was just an absolute nightmare. So if you've ever experienced anything like that, or experienced digestive issues or things like that, and you're also not getting great sleep, man, this could actually be a big wake-up call where, hey, it could actually be my sleep I need to focus on, not necessarily the food that I'm eating or things like that. So my real big wake-up call happened when I was 19 years old. I was in a class in college, and I was sitting there, and all of a sudden I started to feel migraine come on. My head started to hurt. I started to lose feeling in my left hand. I started to lose vision in my eye, my left eye, because the right side of my brain was completely shutting down. And I ended up getting up out of the class. I just left all my stuff. I went to my dorm room to get my medicine, but I didn't have any more medicine left. I had literally just forgot to restock it because I hadn't gotten a migraine in quite a while. And so I called my mom, who was 6 hours away, so it wouldn't have made a difference anyway, but I just wanted someone to know that I was having a migraine. you know, in case something happens more severe. And I called her and I was on the phone with her, and what happened was one of the most scary moments of my entire life, which was that I tried to say things to her and I tried to speak the words that I could think about in my brain, but my brain wasn't functioning properly because of the migraine, and so I couldn't actually talk. So I ended up just having to hang up the phone, and it was really a scary moment for me, where I knew that I had really bad issues, further than anything that I could have imagined before, and that really scared me. And what it did was it scared me into really fixing my sleep finally, really getting to the root problem of it. I think I was wanting to just avoid whatever I was dealing with because it was such a big problem for me, that I was kind of scared to see what was actually happening. But that really propelled me into fixing my sleep finally. So obviously I went to some doctors, but they didn't really help me. Like, there was nothing that they could really do. They suggested some medication and stuff like that, and I was just like, no way, like that's not gonna help me. I know it's not, I've heard the horror stories. And so what I did was I started to do some research, and I started to just learn as much as I could about the human body, the human mind, as it relates to sleep. And I started to take different supplements. I started to just consume everything that I possibly could. And over the next, say, 3-4 years, I started to really dissect what it was about sleep. And right away, I started to sleep a lot better. Just implementing some of the things that I was learning, like going to bed earlier, waking up and seeing the sunrise, and not getting artificial light in your eyes. All these things that the alternative medicine and health community were talking about, but nobody in the normal doctor medicine community were talking about. So it was great. I started to see results right away, but I really still had issues, and nothing was really consistent until I started to piece together what I call the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle, which is a whole collection of different techniques that you can use to improve your sleep. And so it was amazing what happened when I actually healed my insomnia when I was about 22, 23 years old, right around there. I'm 25 now, so I've been sleeping pretty well for a while now. It was so cool what ended up happening. I slept better, obviously, but when you're sleeping better, your whole entire life gets better and turns around. And I started to have much better digestion. I started to be able to think clearly. My performance at work and at my job and in my relationship were so much better. I was able to show up in my social relationships on a much higher level. I was able to engage with people. I was able to be more confident. My self-esteem rose, my income rose. Like, everything about my life started to improve. I started to get to experience beautiful scenes like this because I started to prioritize sunlight and being in nature, being barefoot on the sand and in nature more often. These are all parts of the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle. And if you want to learn more about the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle, I made another video all about the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle, how to eat on the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle, how it can impact your entire life and really lift you up to a point where you're feeling healthier than you ever were before, which is exactly why we created Alchemy Sleep, is to help people to get their best possible sleep and transform their lives. So my whole entire life was shifting and turning around, and of course I was with my wife at that point, and everything was just amazing. And now where I'm at is that I prioritize my entire life around sleeping as good as possible, because I know that the investment into sleeping well now is great for improving your life now, but it also helps you to avoid all of the potential issues that you could have down the line, developing things like cancer, Alzheimer's, dementia, mental health issues, developing heart problems. There's so many different things that come as a result of poor sleep or sleep deprivation on a long time scale, right? So you're 50, 60 years old and you start to develop really bad health issues. It may be because you haven't been getting restorative sleep for your entire life. But now my wife actually calls me, the world's heaviest sleeper, because I'm always in bed by about 9:30. I'm always waking up. We're always coming to the beach. We're living the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle. And that's why we started Alchemy Sleep, is because I saw that once I started to prioritize my sleep in all the areas of my life, I started to just see radical improvements in my entire life across the spectrum. Like I said, I was able to show up for my wife better. I was able to be a better husband. I was able to show up for my friends. I was able to perform better at work. I was able to get my creativity back and feel like I could finally come up with ideas and execute on them versus just feeling like sluggish and down. And so I hope that this video is really resonating with people out there who might be struggling with insomnia and really want to transform their life to a point where they have energy back, they feel excited about life again, they have that creativity. And so really I wanted to share this video as an inspiration, and if you want to get back into nature and really experience that healthy lifestyle, then the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle might be something that you can try out. It's nothing that you need to really change too much about what you're already doing. It's really just tweaks so that you are prioritizing your sleep, your health, your wellness, your happiness. And so what I really encourage you to do is, if you want to learn more about the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle, I'll include links in the description to videos on our website, videos on YouTube here on our channel that explain more about the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle, and just more about how you can get involved with our community so that you can be supported through going from, if you're dealing with insomnia right now or you're dealing with health issues, we have so many amazing resources on our website, all the way from group coaching to custom herbal remedies, so many different things that can improve your sleep. And that's really what it's all about. It's all about improving your sleep so that you can improve and transform your life. And that's what the Alchemy Sleep lifestyle is all about. So I really appreciate you listening to this video. I hope that it helped you to know that if you're dealing with insomnia, you can go from having insomnia to living a life of sleeping extremely well and being healthy, and you can do it in all natural ways that are proven. So many people have done it in our community, and you can do it too. So I'd really recommend, if you want to become one of the world's heaviest sleepers, that you check out some of our other videos, go to our website, check out some of our products and our services, and we'll see you in the next one. Remember, you can transform your sleep and your life as if by magic.